Hello friends, I've got an old mystery amplifier. Model MR 2.75 is 2 channels of 75 watts and it has one interesting malfunction. When you increase the volume at a certain point, it goes into protection. The protection is triggered on the right channel, and if you look at the power supply at this time, you can clearly see how the current consumption rises as the volume increases, and at about 1.5 amps, the protection is triggered. On the second channel, everything is fine, hence the conclusion. The power supply has nothing to do with it. The cause should be looked for in the problem channel. Very often the problem is in the emitter resistors. Their resistance increases, and depending on how much it has increased, the amplifier either shows you a red eye right away or after adding volume. First, look at their resistance in a serviceable channel. Less than 1 ohm. Now in the non-faulty channel, one is fine but the other shows 12 ohms, or 30 ohm, or 20 ohms. Apparently the problem has been found. All that's left is to fix it. Resoldered the resistor. For lack of a green one, I put a white cement one of the same resistance. Let's check. Adding power. Everything is fine. I'll try to connect it to the bridge. That's great. That resistor was the problem. Let's have a little listen and look at the dancing speaker. And that's the end of the repair. Thanks for watching. Good luck everyone. See you in the new videos.